In 2010, mass coral bleaching affected coral reefs around the world, including in Indonesia. And this event was caused by warmer than normal water temperatures associated with an El Nino event. The Nature Conservancy worked together with a number of partners to collect data on the severity and the impact of the bleaching event at sites throughout Indonesia. We used the result from these studies to compare to resilience assessments that had been done just prior to the bleaching. We gathered the local scientists and a number of international scientists together to examine the results from these studies. So we were comparing the results of the reef resilience assessments and the bleaching studies that we've done. In addition, we looked at two additional factors: thermal history, which is a measure of the variability of water temperature at that site over the past 30 years, and the species composition of the coral communities at those sites. So we were looking at the ratio of vulnerable and resistant coral species. The results of this workshop were very interesting. What we found was that the two factors, thermal history and community composition, were the most important in explaining the variability among the sites in bleaching severity. In addition, we analysed the results of our resilience assessments to look specifically at the factors that were most important for coral reef bleaching, for recovery from a bleaching event, and for the management of other threats to those reefs. Moving forward, we'll continue to work with partners and take the results of these studies to improve our advice to conservation planners and managers so they have more tools to be able to manage our coral reefs in the face of climate change.